What if one tiny spice could transform your morning, soothe your body, and boost your health, all in one glass of water? Meet Clove water, a simple yet powerful ancient remedy that's making a bold comeback. Cloves have been used for centuries in teas, remedies, even rituals. But when soaked overnight and sipped in the morning, their magic truly awakens. Start your day with just one glass, and you might feel the difference. Struggling with bloating or indigestion, clove water stimulates digestive enzymes, easing discomfort and helping your body break down food better. Benefit number 2, fights infections. Clove is a natural antimicrobial, great for sore throats, colds, even bad breath. If you're watching your blood sugar, clove water can help keep those levels in check, making it a helpful drink for diabetics. And yes, clove water is anti-inflammatory. That means relief for aching joints, headaches, and even muscle pain. All this from soaking 2 to 3 cloves in a glass of water overnight. Strain it, sip it, and let your body thank you. For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.